Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, my name is Kitikon Jamadusip, Vice President for Environment and Sustainable Development, Mahidol University, Thailand. I would like to bid you warm welcome to my entry report for UI GreenMetric World University Ranking Network 2021. On 8 and 9 October 2020, Mahidol University had a meeting with the representative from 34 University of Sustainable University Network of Thailand to exchange knowledge on how to prepare data for UI GreenMetric World University Rankings, as well as visit the exhibition on sustainability of Prince of Songkhla University. Mahidol University organized Mahidol Sustainability Weeks 2020 exhibition was held at the Mahidol Learning Center. The aims of this exhibition are to communicate knowledge of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations and disseminate program for sustainability of Mahidol University to students and staff. This activity consists of the following sub-activities. MU SDG Talk was the forum for exchange the knowledge on sustainable health, sustainable society, and sustainable economy. This activity was honored by two keynote speakers from Mahidol University. Mahidol University Sustainable Development Goals Conference 2020 was honored by Clinical Professor Emeritus Piyasakul Sakol Satayathorn, the Chairman of Mahidol University Council, Professor Banchong Mahai the President of Mahidol University, to be our keynote speakers. There were participants more than 70 staffs of Mahidol Learning Center and more than 440 has watched from Mahidol University Facebook. Moreover, there are 15 persons present academic paper via online presentation. On 3rd and 4th December 2020, Sustainable University Network of Thailand hosts the 5th annual conference at King Mongkut University, Thonburi. On May 25, 2021, Mahidol University hosts the virtual seminar on Mahidol Eco University and Sustainability Policy. The seminar is aimed to build knowledge and understanding of the Sustainable Development Goals and to prepare the faculties to drive the university towards the Sustainable Development Goals. Mahidol University hosts the World Environmental Day 2021. The theme of World Environmental Day in this year is Restoration Ecosystem. To achieve the Eco University Policy, Division of Physical System and Environment organized 3 painting activity at Mahidol University Library and Knowledge Center on May 19, 2021. There are 28 participants from 25 faculties. Pen-based online symposium was also held on June 2, 2021 in order to disseminate the knowledge on sustainable consumption. Mahidol University collaborate with PTT Global Chemical Public Company Limited, organized online symposium on circular economy and sustainability for higher education in order to share interesting perspectives and commitment to drive a circular economy into reality. Moreover, Mahidol University collaborate with PTT Global Chemicals Public Company Limited to launch the U-Turn platform program for managing used plastic from the collection and sorting the waste, transporting plastic waste into the system of recycling process and process until it is turned into an upcycling product. The Innovation for Campus Sustainability Projects is an activity contest for all students of Mahidol University to design or create of an innovation towards sustainable university. This project aims to find the best innovation that apply the knowledge of sustainable development on three aspects, including economic, social, and environment, and to strengthen Mahidol students to be a person who has creativity for innovation which align with Thailand 4.0. Mahidol University organized the second national workshop of UI GreenMetric for university in Thailand. The online symposium was held on July 21st, 2021. This online symposium aims to enhance sustainable development in higher education and to share current management experience in sustainable development among the universities. There are more than 85 participants from Thai university attended these symposiums. Mahidol University recognized the importance of sustainable development. Therefore, training workshop on leadership for sustainable development was organized. This workshop aimed to raise awareness on the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and to prepare and create the leaderships to drive Mahidol University towards sustainable development and to be able to adjust activity plan management both in the short and long term. This workshop was attended by executive levels top management of Mahidol University, more than 80 persons. This is the challenge and future plans of Mahidol University as a national host of UI GreenMetric World University Ranking Network. Thank you very much for your kind attention.